Breasts obviously age with time, and the heavier implants cause that aging to accelerate. So what happens then is a tug of war. Your breasts want to stay up, but they're being pulled down by gravity. They're being pulled down by the weight of the implants. In the past, I've relied on what is called a bipedicled flap. That means there's tissue from the bottom providing blood supply, tissue from the top medial providing blood supply. And in the past, when I do a breast lift, the lower part of the breast, I was actually taking that tissue to create a beautiful transition from the breast down to the abdominal wall. I was actually removing a lot of that. So that would go in the garbage, in the bucket, whatever you want to call it. So what did we do? I call it the auto implant. It means it's an autogolous implant. In other words, an implant from you. Why is that powerful? Because even as much as I love doing fat grafting, with fat grafting, about 50% of the fat stays. With the autogolous graft, the autograft, about 100% stays. I can make that claim because that tissue is actually vascularized, unlike fat. Fat, we actually remove it from its blood supply and then we put it back in and we hope that it'll actually take. With this type of procedure, we're actually creating something where we're lifting that up and creating a breast mount and shaping it. It's a beautiful way of doing a breast lift. So to learn more about this time-tested technique, give us a ring. We'd love to work with you. Dr. Buford from Beauty by Buford.